The evolution of warfare is a complex tapestry that spans from primitive combat to sophisticated, technologically advanced conflicts. In ancient times, warfare primarily involved small-scale skirmishes between tribes or clans. The primary weapons used were rudimentary tools made of stone, bones, and wood. With the advent of metallurgy, societies progressed to the Bronze Age, enabling the creation of stronger and more durable weapons such as swords, shields, and spears, which significantly influenced the nature of battles. The development of chariots and horseback riding further transformed ancient warfare by increasing mobility and striking power. The Iron Age brought even more advancements, with iron weapons and armor becoming standard, facilitating the rise of organized armies and complex strategies. The classical civilizations, such as the Greeks and Romans, refined warfare with well-structured armies, advanced tactics, and innovations like the phalanx and legion formations. Their military strategies were deeply studied and laid the foundations for future military thought. The Middle Ages saw the rise of feudalism and the corresponding development of knightly warfare, castles, and sieges. Longbows, crossbows, and early forms of gunpowder weapons appeared during this period, gradually changing the dynamics of combat. The introduction of gunpowder in the late medieval period revolutionized warfare, leading to the creation of cannons and muskets. This shift marked the end of traditional knightly combat and the beginning of modern warfare. The Renaissance brought advancements in military technology and strategy, including the professionalization of armies and the use of linear tactics. The formation of nation-states in Europe led to larger, more centralized armies and the establishment of military academies that studied and formalized the art of war. The Industrial Revolution played a pivotal role in the evolution of warfare by introducing advanced machinery, railroads, and telegraphs, which improved logistics and communication. The development of rifled firearms, artillery, and ironclad ships during this period rendered previous military tactics obsolete.